Beach Coaching and Consulting. Man, aren't these accountability videos fun? We are sure having a blast bringing them to you. Today we're going to talk about a topic that a lot of people struggle with. What do you do when you've got somebody on the team who's responsible for something and they're just not owning up to it? What are you going to do about it? Well, here's what I do. I sit down with them and I say, hey, Bob, my understanding is that you're supposed to be working on delivering this thing. How's that going? If Bob says it's not going well and I'm not really worried about it anymore, we've got a problem. So what do you do in that case? I say, you take this approach. Bob, if we were going to do this, what would the benefits to the business be? Get him to answer that. Bob, what would the benefits to your teammates be? What would the benefits be to you, Bob? What would the benefits be to me, Bob? And once he's figured out that there were a lot of good reasons behind the thing that he's struggling with and the thing that he's sort of kind of given up on, Bob's going to re-establish some motivation. And then you can offer him some help and say, Bob, what can I do to help? How can I help you get building positive momentum again to get this done? Because I think it's important we get it done. It's a great way to reestablish accountability. Hope that helps. See you next time.